it's run out of charge.
Hey up Doug, it's Erin here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video and I'll be unboxing and reviewing an electronic machine. So here I've got the Shark anti-hair wrap cordless vacuum cleaner and it comes with 2 batteries. So the cost is £199 and you can get it from stores such as Amazon, eBay, Argos, and I've bought it so you don't have to. So I'll unbox this, I'll review it, and I'll give you my honest opinion whether it's worth buying or not. So I've got my trusty knife and I'm so excited, so let's start unboxing. Here we go. Just gonna open the box now. Very carefully because it's very sharp. Let's have a look. Here we are. So it says here, as you can see, it says the Shark Wand Vac system. It's in a box within a box, so I'm just going to take it out. So here it is, and we're not going to need this. So here it is, and as you can see, there's a lot of information on this box. They've made it really clear as well, so we'll go through some of the information on here. Now, just a bit of background as well. I have owned quite a few vacuum cleaners. I've owned a Hetty, a Henry, a Vax, a Dyson. You know, there's all those out there. This one is quite a slimline one as well. So this is different probably compared to most of the vacuum cleaners out there. Somebody did request a review on this, one of my viewers. They were contemplating on buying one of these, so I said that, you know what, I'll buy it, I'll do the review, and you can make your mind up from there. So, going on to the box now. This is the Shark Wand Vac system. It does come with a 2-year guarantee, which is here. Okay, so there's more suction power. It is like a wand as well. So you can see here, there's a cordless bit to it. You can use it for those, you know, for cleaning your car and things like that, those small jobs. And then there's the grab and go. So you can use that on all the flooring that you have, carpet, vinyl, laminate. So that's here. There's the anti-hair wrap as well, which is really useful with people with pet hair or anything like that, or, you know, just generally as well, because girls, you all know we have our long hair and that is sometimes gets stuck into the hoover as well, okay? So I'm going to move the box around so you can see the information here. So again, they've made this a main feature, which is the anti-hair wrap. And it says here, removes hair from the brush roll as you clean, okay? So there's none of that switching off the vacuum cleaner, removing all the hair and carrying on, okay? Then it's the high performance motor. So it's got really powerful suction. It's got 2 power modes as well, just so you know. And then there's the boost mode as well, which just gives you that little bit of boost when you do need it for those hard cleaning jobs. So with the boost mode, you may use the boost mode for those, you know, for those stubborn cleaning jobs. It's just that it will drain the battery a little bit quicker, and that is a universal thing throughout vacuum cleaners when you're using the boost mode, and it is a cordless vacuum cleaner, okay? So here, there's the one touch transformation. So you're going from the upright to the handheld, and that is the one touch transformation, okay? Next is the charging and storage base. Now this one is one of the features that I have to say is a really good feature. So if you've got children and things, you haven't got the wires trailing around. So it comes with 2 batteries. Your batteries can be mounted. So you charge one, once that runs out, then you take that one off and you charge the other, okay? So you don't have those wires trailing around or anything like that. So on the other side, we have some lovely pictures of the vacuum in use, which you can see here, but you'll see the vacuum in use because I'll use it for you. So here we've got the motorized pet tool. That's the tool that comes inside if you own pets and things. We've got the crevice tool, which gets into those hard to reach corners. We've got the multi-surface tool, which you can change over for whatever flooring you're going to use it on, or upholstery or anything else. And then we have the 2 batteries. All those should be in this box. That's enough about the features and talking. Let's crack this open. So here we are now. So I'm going to just unwrap. Wow. See, it's really packed quite securely. Of unpacking the cardboard as well, where you can actually unpack it. Wow. So here we are. You can see here the anti-hair wrap brushes, which are yellow, and this is black, which, to be honest with you, I really like the combination there as well. So this is the front attachment. So that goes at the bottom, okay, and that'll have suction on your carpet. Next we have this tool, which looks like looks like something that will go onto here, but we'll go through the manual and attach it and everything. So next we have so this is the main bit of the machine. That's the compartment that's going to hold all the dust and all the debris and everything. So it is pretty light as well. Wow, that must be the pet accessory. Again, we're going with the black and yellow combination there, and it also has the anti-hair wrap here. Next we have another accessory. It's the plug. Small crevice tool. So it comes with the AC/DC adapter. It's an 11.97 watt. It's a 3-pin. Here is the attachment that goes on to the vacuum cleaner, and this is the way to charge it. Next we have battery. So the first battery is in here, okay, which is in the actual handle. So you press the 2 buttons here and it easily comes out, and this is the first battery. Just a bit of info as well, guys. It's a rechargeable lithium battery. So it's a 3000 mAh battery, which seems quite low. Doesn't seem as if it'll have a bit of a long-lasting battery, but we'll have a go. Press back in. So this is battery number 2. Again, 2 buttons. Okay, and it's the same battery. So again, it's the 3000 mAh battery. Don't know how long it's going to last as well, and whether it will be able to do at least 1 room. So that goes in there. That is the actual holder we're going to use to charge is this. So this goes into this that's on your wall, and it says here on the sticker, store your batteries here and enjoy an extra 16 minutes of runtime. So this fits in here, and this, which is a charger bit, goes in here. It goes on the floor like that. I'm going to assemble the actual vacuum cleaner now. So we're going with the base, then the second bit, which clicks. You can hear it click. So it's pretty simple. There we go. It's a nice height. It is simple. It's surprisingly light, okay. So the weight is 0.9 kilograms, which is less than 1 kilo. So here it is, all assembled. The colours are here, so very, very nice, yellow and black, so beautiful. But even though it's really light, because the battery is situated here, it's quite heavy on the handle. It only comes with 3 tools as well, so we will try those out. So I'll show you. It clicks in here. There we go. Okay, and it stands on stand. Now, if this stands in the kitchen, or if this stands in a little cubby hole, then that means that each time you want to leave it to stand, then you'll have to take it there and you'll have to put it on the actual stand. Okay. So that's one to bear in mind. Here is where you switch it on and off with. Here, press it down, and the dust compartment opens here, which is small. Here, you clean the filter and it reminds you to clean it monthly. Okay, and for all of you, just so you know, this here, even though it looks part of the handle, is the boost button. So you press and hold it for it to go into boost mode when you've switched the Hoover on, okay? Switch the vacuum cleaner on. So here I have some makeshift dirt that you'll be able to see me clean now. So I'm going to switch this Hoover on and you'll see how loud or quiet it is as well. I'm going to press this button, and here we go. So noise wise, it isn't too bad, it's okay. So now I've done this bit, here I've put a lot more dust on here, so I'm going to press my boost button and it gets louder. It's just on normal mode, and we're going to pick up this paper. Okay, so it is really light, but it's okay with sound. I'm in the car with the crevice attachment, so here we go. And it's run out of charge. Disclaimer alert, the battery doesn't last for more than 10 minutes. Without attachments, let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna take it off. And I'm gonna switch it on. Here you can see the compartment. You can see where I've actually vacuumed up the dirt and the other bits. You've got the crevice pipe here, and we'll try with that now. And then the next attachment is this one that's supposed to be like the pet hair anti-wrath one. So let's try that one. There's a few hairs on here, so let's have a look to see if it actually picks it up. It's done a fair job. I'd say it was just fair. I wouldn't say it was excellent. I'm going to take this attachment off now. And then the next attachment is this one with a brush. So it must be for the stubborn dirt anywhere or anything on upholstery or anything like that. No, I'd say it was okay. it's quite stylish as well. But as for the capacity here, I have to say the capacity is quite small, which I didn't think it would be this small. Also, which I've noticed as well, like I said to you before, it's with the whole, this situation as well, where it won't stand. It is a light hoover. It's not noisy. I'd say it's in between. It's not the quietest one I've come across. It's not the quietest vacuum cleaner. It does have anti-hair wrap technology, which is here in the actual brushes and everything. So we'll come back to my final verdict in a minute. And I'm going to say that it's 4 out of 10. Now, you may think I'm being a bit harsh, but I have some pros and cons. So the pros are, love the colour combination, liking that shock, really love the colour combination. It is really, really light. It is what it says, 0.9 kilos. So it is really light. The other thing is that it comes with 2 batteries, which is amazing. You've got one, you've got the other. So the 2 batteries is really, really good. While one's charging, you can use the other one. So I'm liking that. The cons are the actual suction compartment here that picks up all your dirt is really, really tiny. It's very, very small. And this bit where it doesn't stand, I'd say that was a big con for me. I'm not liking that because it won't stand upright without the actual stand. The other bits that you get with them, the attachments and things, yes, you do get attachments, minimal attachments, 3 attachments. They're okay, they do the job. That's all that can be said about that bit. The other thing that I'd say is a con for me, and maybe not a con for somebody else, is the actual charging unit. That is something that has to go onto the floor somewhere, and isn't wall mountable. It is something that will need to be on a flat surface on the floor or in a storage cupboard somewhere. So would I buy this? So is it I'd say maybe. The only reason why is because if you're looking to do your entire house, then the answer would be no, because it just wouldn't have that much battery life in it to do an entire home. It's okay to do small jobs. So you spilt something, that dry foodstuffs, then it's a quick go-to. Other than that, it's not really for a heavy-duty vacuum cleaner for a full family that you could use day in, day out to clean the whole house with. So that is my verdict on this. So that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon so you're alerted to any upcoming videos.